Understanding to Blue Pencil, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, to blue pencil. It's a term you might encounter in various contexts, especially in writing and editing. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in English. The phrase, to blue pencil, originates from the practice of using a blue pencil to make changes or corrections in a document. To blue pencil something means to make revisions, edit, or censor a piece of writing. It's commonly used in the context of editing manuscripts, articles, or even scripts. The term dates back to the early 20th century when editors used blue pencils for editing. The blue ink was chosen because it was easily distinguishable from black typewriter ink, making the edits clear. This practice gave rise to the term, and it's been in use ever since. Let's look at some examples. 1. The publisher decided to blue pencil the controversial chapter in the book. 2. After reviewing my essay, my teacher blue penciled several paragraphs for clarity. 3. As a screenwriter, I'm used to having my work blue penciled by the director. These examples show the use of to blue pencil in different contexts, highlighting its role in editing and revising. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Similar terms include edit, revise, censor, correct. Each of these has a slightly different nuance but can be used in similar contexts. I hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of to blue pencil in English. It's a phrase that encapsulates the meticulous and crucial process of editing. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the history and culture behind them. Keep exploring and happy learning!